Oh shit, yeah. Camping popcorn. You just wait. So this morning I've just woken up at Archer Creek and I'll be heading off from there and going to go check out Ravenshoe, our little town. Drive through there. I didn't drive through it yesterday, so I'll drive through, have a little look at this Millstream Reserve. I think there's like a little walk around that I'll have a quick look at. And then I'll keep heading north from there and come through this way, as I did the other drive yesterday. Check out the highest road in Queensland, and then I'll go check out this Crater Head and Dinner Falls Trail. And then, yeah, keep heading north, do this walk if I can, check it all out, and then head into Atherton for a look around and see what the time is, see what I can get up to next. Just walking in a park in Atherton, but there is crocodiles here apparently, so keep my eye out. Only freshies, but you know, still nervous. And Effie's never seen one, which would be funny. Hopefully I get that on record. But yeah, sometimes there's platypus too, but have to be at the right time apparently, so we'll see. Effie, man, pulling me along. Where could they have gotten that from? There was nowhere to pull over, but this is the sign for the highest road in Queensland. Just visiting Dinner Falls and a crater. It's High Pipami crater, I don't really know how to say it, but when I was up there was quite a few people looking, and with their huge cameras and everything, and they explained to me that there were two birds, two babies up in the big nest, and one 2 days ago tried to learn to fly and fell out of the nest, landed in the water and unfortunately drowned. So this other one waited till either today, I think it was today, yeah, he tried to fly out and fell also, but he managed to get himself out of the water along this slope that was a rock that was sloping into the water, and he's now on the ledge, so everyone's taking really nice up close photographs and watching the progress of this baby bird, which is quite nice. Mum keeps flying over, checking on it, and hopefully this one survives because there's a big water hole at the end, so hopefully he's all good. But it looks very cool, very nice journey, good timing to see a bird learning to fly.
It's not far from it. See that little tree to the left? It's underneath it.
Oh, it's on the cliff.
Yeah, it's on the cliff. I can't.
It's good to get an idea if it's going to go.
And yeah, I'm puffing a little bit because I'm walking back to the car now. Might see if I can see some of the falls before I get back to the car. So I'm not going to be able to get down to the waterfalls because I think it's like a 2-kilometre walk. Thought I'd see a little bit down the path, but no, it's completely covered by trees. You can see a little bit actually. It's probably the best it's going to get. Sounds pretty regardless, but I've left Effie for maybe 10 minutes. She's in the shade and it's really cool, but I still don't like leaving her, so I am going to go back to her and just see what we can look at together next. That does look pretty. I don't know how much bigger they get, but it's quite nice. And this walk is really pretty. Looks like I find a crimper essential for camping. I can't live without it. So definitely number one thing to pack if you're camping is a crimper. You can't go wrong. So I'm really bad with pronunciation, but this is the forest walk. It's a bit of a heritage walk too, so it'll be quite nice. Decided to do this one right. And a water pack with my snake recovery kit. Bandage. Because I should really be doing these walks more prepared. They are very deserted, like no one comes on them. And if something happened, Effie ain't gonna do shit, so I need something to look after myself with. So, decided that's the best idea when I can be bothered. I know I should be bothered all the time, but this one's like a 2.5 kilometre walk with like possibly one other person out here. So, I am just going to do it to be safe. But anyways, enjoy this walk. So this is as good as a snake recovery kit can get, I guess, but this is mine. So this is a snake bandage that you just apply over the bite, and then I have this emergency button that I can push and be located by rescue teams. And yeah, I just have a few other bandages in there in case, and that is literally it. Fortunately, lots of the walks Effie has to stay on a lead, but it's probably for her safety, and at least she can come, so I'm not complaining. We can go for a walk and we can get out, and she loves it. Crazy. I'll grow like that. This girl's like a kid on Christmas Day. She usually walks pretty well, but she's just so excited. She's just pulling forward. And she spotted the bush chook. Can't see it in there. No, don't care. Not a chicken fan, just a kangaroo. So weird. Big hollow. Huge. Split or something. Don't know if he's just fallen or been chopped because there's bits everywhere. Oh, I love that. Pull that out, put my gut. Here I am just fascinated by all of the trees. All the trees is grabbed on. It's pretty cool. This one's been uprooted. enjoying this beautiful As drive, and the classic Over the Horizon Samsung music comes on. It's actually so fitting. So I've now made it to Atherton and I found this nice walk and pond full of animals. I spot a platypus, but I'm at the wrong time again. Might have to come back at dawn or dusk in hope, but it looks like it could be a spot. It's a turtle. Turtle just chilling. A lookout in Atherton. What the heck, eh? So beautiful. Staying at this little RV park, Bondidio RV Nature Park. Very pretty, in between Atherton and Yungaburra. But yeah, it's quite nice. It's a lake nearby with some platypus and some animals. Seen a turtle, platypus, lots of fish. Every night the hosts come down and feed the paddy melons and possums with everybody too, so it's a very nice interactive activity and very cute to watch. This is in the morning, bit of fog, and there's your nature walk in there down to the lake. Yo, look at this tree, freaking massive. Can't even get it in one shot. Pretty cool. I came down for the dawn viewing of some platypus. Well, apparently it's a good time to see them, so got up like 5:30 to come have a look, and I finally saw one little baby. It was a bit cute. And this is a bigger one I saw a bit further down the lake. Your morning cuddles. Hmm? It's like you didn't just sleep all night. Nose is wedged in there. So today I will be driving around Lake Tinaroo, doing a lot of the walks and checking out some sites along the way. So thank you for watching this video, and please stick around for the next one where you can watch what I get up to.